Yo, welcome back to the channel! The 2025 Honda Civic is still killing it in the compact car game, bringing a solid mix of efficiency, practicality, and fun-to-drive vibes. This year, Honda gave it a little glow-up with fresh headlights and a slicker front bumper. But the real game-changer? The new hybrid version. This bad boy packs a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine plus two electric motors, cranking out 200 horsepower while sipping fuel like a champ, hitting 49 mpg combined. If hybrids ain't your thing, don't worry. The non-hybrid Civic now comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder, 150 HP. It's not as quick, but still super fuel efficient. Oh, and heads up, manual transmission is now exclusive to the Civic Si and the beastly Type R. You can pick between a sedan or hatchback. Non-hybrid models come in LX and Sport, while the hybrid gets Sport and Sport Touring trims. The Sport Hybrid, available in both body styles, is expected to be the fan favorite thanks to its solid mix of power and features. Speaking of power, the Civic Hybrid can go 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds, way quicker than the non-hybrid Sport Sedan, which takes 8.9 seconds. But no matter which version you get, you're still getting sharp steering and a smooth ride, perfect for both city cruising and highway trips. Now let's talk gas mileage, one of the Civic's biggest flexes. The hybrid crushes it with 50 mpg city, 47 mpg highway, and 49 mpg combined, while real-world tests clocked 47 mpg for the Sport Touring sedan. The non-hybrid Civic LX still holds it down with 32 mpg city, 41 mpg highway, and 36 mpg combined. Inside, the 2025 Civic keeps things clean and stylish with a honeycomb pattern dashboard, hiding the air vents for that sleek look. There's plenty of storage space, and whether you go sedan or hatchback, you'll get roomy seating for 5. The sedan's got a big trunk, but if you need extra space, the hatchback's got your back. Price-wise, the 2025 Honda Civic starts at $25,345 and tops out at $34,500. So what do y'all think? Is this the Civic upgrade you were waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments.